Hey there, welcome back to another video of GTK Forex Guide. This video is about XAU USD Risk Management Guide. Gold is shiny and so is the opportunity to trade it. But without proper risk management, trading gold can feel like playing with fire. Let's break down how smart traders protect their capital in this volatile pair. So number one, use proper lot size. You've got to understand what the lot size stands for. A standard lot, which is $1, 1.00, that means you're investing $10 per pip. Mini lot, 0.10, which is when you're investing $1 per pip. Micro lot, 0.01, which is when you're investing 10 cents per pip. A lot size is equivalent to your exposure. If you're new, start small, don't go all in. Micro or mini lots are safe learning. Always use a stop loss. Gold is emotional. Don't let it drag your account with it. Set your SL based on how much you're willing to lose and not hope. Example, if you're buying gold at 1800 and your stop loss is at 1790, that's a $10 drop for gold's price, which is 100 pips. And if you're trading with one lot, that's a lose of $1,000 that you're risking. Too much, don't risk that much. Follow 1 to 2% rule. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your account per trade. If your account size is $1,000, max risk that you should be taking is $10 to $20. Adjust your lot size and SL accordingly. This rule keeps you in the game long enough to learn and grow. Use a take profit. Risk reward ratio should be at least 1 to 2 or better. Example, risking $10 to aim $20 or more. Don't be greedy. Set a realistic TP to secure your profits. Locking in profits is how pros stay consistent. Avoid trading you during major news unless prepared. Gold reacts to interest rate decisions, US CPI, NFP data, geopolitical tensions. During these times, widened spreads and widened spurs can happen. If you're not ready, stay out and reduce lot size. Journal every day. No entry, exit, SLTP, why you entered, what you went in for, and what's wrong, what's right. Review it weekly. It helps you spot patterns and level up fast. Final thoughts. Gold is powerful but risky. To win an XAUUSD, start small, use SLTP, follow 1 to 2% rule, stay calm, stay consistent, control risk, let profits grow. That's how traders win. That was all about it, guys, for this video. I'll see you all in the next video with more information.